Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is August 27th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, so if you take a look at the price ladder up here in the left-hand corner of the screen, you can see that we had a very good day here. This was day 2 of our Top Step Trader Trading Combine, step 2. That step you got to take right before you get to the funded status. So after 2 days here in this trading combine, I am just a little bit over $1,700 after 2 days. So it has been a very good 2 days. The profit target, of course, is $3,000. I'm on the 50K combine. The profit target is $3,000, and we are just a bit more than halfway home. Now, this also allows me in the scaling plan to add a contract, an additional contract. So I've been kind of limited to 2 contracts until you get north of $1,500. So tomorrow when we trade, I'll be able to get add that additional contract. And while I don't normally trade 3 lots, it does allow me the opportunity to take advantage of an opportunity that I was not able to take advantage of today on the ES. If you look here on the ES, we came right down into one of our market maker levels. In fact, I talked to the group about taking this opportunity, but that I was not really able to because of the additional lot that was needed. That was a 21-point ES move if you wrote it to there. If you just decided that you wanted to cash out at the volume weighted average price, it was 19.5 points as an opportunity, and I was not able to really take advantage of that because of my limits today in step 2 on the scaling plan. So tomorrow I won't have those same limits. I will have been over the $1,500 next step in the plan. So today we talk a lot about these sweet spots in our trade room, and today was really the same kind of idea. It was no surprise here today. The market rallied up. I did not take this right at the open. It did rally up to within a tick of that sweet spot. It was at 57, and 58 was the sweet spot. The high was 57. Sold off down to 96. I did end up taking this one, and it rallied, and we were looking for it to go a bit higher. It did come back out and take me out for some ticks, and then we came all the way back down again. So by the time we got down into this sweet spot retracement, I was getting chopped around just a little bit. I would have a little bit of a winner, then a small loser, and then a winner and a small loser, and I had some small stops and some break even. And so we just kind of got chopped around in this whole area today, but we were still always managing to keep this sweet spot idea in our mind. So ultimately, after it chopped around for about an hour and a half around that sweet spot area, going a little bit deeper, rallying up, and etc., we were still looking to get in here, and we ultimately did get in here at 86. Actually, I ended up getting in at 86. And one of the things that we talked about is that we were trying to rally all the way up here to this 82 and maybe higher. Now, we were on 2 lots, and as the market begins to break out from that area, we were in a really good opportunity, right? And the market begins to climb, and once we break through this high, we had a sweet spot area up here. We also had that on our trade plan today, and we know that that to the tick precision is nice, but we also know that it does have a tendency to be more of a zone of influence than it is to the tick precision. And there is that zone of influence that we look for, which is 10 ticks around the level on the CL. Market rallies up, gets right up into that zone, to within that zone of influence. And I said, you know what? We're playing with house money. I'm going to put my stop at an even 50 ticks times 2 lots. And that would have been down here at 36. So right about in this area right here. Right, so right in this area would have been my stop. In fact, let's put a line there. We'll put a line right there at 36 to kind of note where it is that my stop was. It was right there, okay, at 36. So I was in at 86. That stop there at 36. Market comes down and passes through me by one single tick to 35, and then ultimately continues the rally all the way into the end of the session today. And again, a little bit of a bummer there. We had 86. We were looking for this 82, and I told the group that if we'd be looking for an even 100 ticks if it was going to continue to do that. And it did continue to rally and could have been it could have been an even better opportunity than it was today. So still, all in all, as you can see up here in the top left-hand corner of the screen, I was up 1140 today. That puts me up just over 1,700 after 2 days of step 2 on the Top Step Trader Combine, which is what we're doing now in front of a live trading audience in here. And again, I apologize for not being able to let you see the actual trade itself, but we had some technical issues that did not allow the recording to go as planned. So we will try to get that rectified so you can see those trades in their entirety, but you do get to see the price ladder and you can see the opportunity and the location where we got in. And again, we got just dinged out right here on this pullback, right? That was really disappointing before it continued that rally. But all in all, a very good day. Again, more than halfway home after 2 days at step 2. I need a $3,000 profit target, and I'm at 1,700 as we sit here today. So we'll see. We'll get back at it tomorrow. We'll likely have a late start tomorrow, given the fact that it is crude oil inventory report Wednesday. And so with that being said, we'll probably get back at it just a little bit later start tomorrow. So as always, I want to say thank you for watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.